I'm Mike Huckman at the Bio Buzz Center, and it's a pleasure to welcome Mary Albertson, who is the president of the Association of University Technology Managers, as well as Hans Sauer, who's the vice president and deputy general counsel of intellectual property at the Biotechnology Innovation Organization. Welcome to you both.
Thanks for having us.
So for those of the viewers who do not know what AUTM, or AUTM as you like to call it, is, please explain what the organization is, what it does.
Okay, AUTM is a member organization. We focus on taking research and advancing it for basically a better world. So we do what we call technology transfer and find inventions and then match them with companies to commercialize them.
What is technology transfer?
It's that whole process of identifying inventions that might do somebody good, and then taking those and finding a company who has the capability to develop it and commercialize it. So there is a final product that can be used.
And here at this year's Bio Convention, you've released a new updated report quantifying the economic contribution and financial contribution that academic research makes to medical science. What are the key takeaways?
Well, the key takeaway we want to give is that our biggest impact is actually in doing things that are good for humankind. It's not just the money. But as far as the financials go, the technology transfer over a 20-year period bolstered the industry gross output up to $1.3 trillion and supported more than 4.2 million jobs.
And Hans, what does that tell you about the contribution of academic research?
Well, by the numbers, it's pretty impressive in and of itself. Right? In biotech, we understand that private, public, and private industry transfer is critical to biotechnology and to what sustains our industry. Right? The United States, I think, for decades has more generously than almost any other country invested in basic research, and has created a robust system that allows the transfer of these inventions that are made with public funds into the private sector, and allows the private sector to generate follow-on investment to translate these innovations at staggering cost, if I may say, into real-life products that address some of the biggest problems of our time: disease, hunger, pollution, and other problem areas that the industry works in. It is absolutely critical to the functioning of the industry that we continue to have a robust system where inventions that are made at universities become available for commercialization and turn into real-life products.
As a lawyer who specializes in this field, what is the current biggest challenge or challenges facing this technology transfer?
I would say that
from a legal perspective
and from a policy perspective, both. To my mind, that the fact that we're having a discussion about flattening or scaling back our public investment in basic research is something that policymakers who consider that would be well advised if they studied this report. It couldn't have come at a better time. The report shows that spending money in basic research is a good investment for American society. It pays rich dividends, it generates lots of jobs, it stimulates lots of follow-on investment. I can't think of a better way to spend at least some of our public money than investing it in basic medical research.
So Mary, clearly the numbers are big, the evidence is there, but put those numbers into even broader or further context. Where are we today in terms of the robustness of academic research?
We have gotten more and more robust in both the research and how we deal with it. I mean, internationally speaking, the US is a gold standard on how to bring these inventions to life. And we think it's only going to get better over time. There is the challenge about the funding of the research, but even despite that, we continue to grow.
Mary, the theme of this year's Bio Convention is one word, and that word is breakthrough. Breakthrough to what?
Enlightenment, in particular for legislators who are looking at research funding and patent reform, but also for our researchers and for all of us in this business so that we can become more enlightened.
Breakthrough to enlightenment. That's Mary Albertson with AUTM and Hans Sauer with the Biotechnology Innovation Organization here at the Bio Buzz Center.